Hello my client, hope you are well. So I have complete this Monday CRM setup. So I am going to show you everything like what I have done that help in your team. So after watch this complete video and check out all Monday CRM setup and check out and test everything automation, and then share your feedback if you need any changes automation, and custom field something, feel free to ask me, so I will help you and I will provide you live support so when you need any changes. So let's go start. First of all, I have created this workspace like resident faculty operation um, web workspace. So in this workspace I have created this all folder like employees folder, me2 faculty, cottage, mark, Nancy, Harvey, and last one. So in first employee folder, here you can see two board like this one, staff vehicle insurance tracker, then staff training tracker. So this is first staff training insurance tracker board. So in this board I have set up these all custom field and set up these all automation process and assign your manager. So already we have discussed in first video this one. Then is second is staff training. So in staff training I have set up custom field like a staff name, training name, and these all things, and I have set up this form. So like staff training tracker, so you fill up all information with the help of this form. So there, when you fill up this form, so all information will automatically move here. In here already I have test all form. So this is like both folder is the part of both board is the part of employee folder. So let's move next. So in Emma home, so you can see resident appointment board, fare safety board, daily tracker board, resident document board. These all board like fourth one to fourth board is available in each folder like M2, cottage, mark, Nancy, Harvey, and last one same like custom field, same automation, same form creation, so more. So in this video we discuss just one, and similarly other is working. Like first is resident appointment. So just wait. So this is like first board of this folder. Just wait few seconds. So this is like a resident first. So here I have set up these resident name, appointment type of appointment, like everything, and I have set up automation according to need, like these automation. Then you can check out and test everything. Then is next is fare safety. So here fare safety like these are like custom field, task name, task type, assign, and so more. Here you can see three automation according to our need, like this, these are one. Then is daily tracker faculty. So this is like man our board like daily faculty checklist. So I have set up all custom field like you can see, and I have set up their form. So this is form working as a integration process, like this is daily inspection form. So when you fill up this form, so in this, when you select no, so you will be show this option like submit this form. And any issue identification, when you select yes, then you will see these all categories like issue category, resident, urgent case, appointment, medical issue type, and issue, staff issue, and so more. Then after fill up these all, then you fill up data. So then there in all information will be here, put here. This is daily faculty checklist, and there you can see 6 automation I have set up, this according to our need. Then let's go in last resident document sign. So here you can see like resident custom field, signature, due date, signature type, status, and so more. and I have set up here form like this form resident set document, resident name document, and here you can see signature. Like here you can draw signature and add signature like Muhammad. You can see something this, and upload all files, so their information will be automatically moved and saved here in this. So I hope I have covered all necessary things, so let me know if you need any changes and so more. Thank you, and I'm waiting your feedback. If you need any changes something, I will